Hey guys, currently at Nikke's at Osun State. I told you I'm going to be touring some major states in the western part of Nigeria, and I'm currently at Osun State, and I'm going to, my first stop is the Nikke Art Gallery here at Osun State. I'll be showing you what it looks like from the inside, and then you can make your decisions, right? So stay tuned. Okay guys, so apparently this place is actually a guest house. The main Nikke Art Gallery is somewhere called Estate. So we're currently on our way to Estate, to the gallery. But this place is actually a guest house. All right. Because the belly must be fed, we are currently at a joint where we eat some meal. I will tell you how it is after I've eaten it. But yeah, we here. This is the joint. Some badass joints. Can you see? Can you see the meat, Shaki? Can you see? See, if you are in Osun State and you are not here, you are missing out.
Just take a look at this.
Can you see?
Wow, this is heaven.
You ask me if the chop now. Wanna see what I want to walk like this? So you guys. After spending approximately 2 hours plus at the Groove, we headed for the Nikke Art Galleries. We visited the one at Estate and then we moved to the other location. There are 2 Nikke Art Galleries in Osun State. Hey guys, I just arrived Nikke Art Gallery at Osun State and I'll be showing you what's inside. So let's go. This is the second location of the Nikke Art Gallery. This is where the tie and dye classes and lectures and practicals happen.
Ekran lesa. Akako fe mo orúkọ ton pe kini ni. Kini to mu dani. Ere. Okay.
Ere?
Ere is like, what is ere in English again now?
I have no idea. I have no idea. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. I'm very fine. Thank you. We have toured Nikke's Nike's art gallery. We've gone to the apartment and we want to conclude the evening with the This is beautiful. The beautiful thing you're doing here. We'll just wait for the rest other guys.
Like they're doing stuff there.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe we'll come back. Let's just go around.
I think that's what they're doing.
Welcome to Nike's workshop. A place where mighty men of art have been made. There are more than 25 different dye pots at the Nike Center for Art and Culture. Each pot is used to add a different layer of color to the fabric. Alright, let's go.
This is Nike Center for Art and Culture.
Okay.
And here is where we do the local dyes, where local dyes are being dipped.
Okay.
These are local dye pots.
Okay.
And that's indigo leaf over there.
Okay.
The indigo leaf is the reciprocal of the work we do here. That's indigo. And when you come to think of it, when you take the new grown leaf over there and you scrub it
In your hand,
it will appear a darker shade of color, which will retain for like 2-3 days. And that's what it's being used to mix the dyes we do use for local dyes here at Nike Center for Art and Culture. We might have the practical aspect. And these are synthetic dye over here, which has been used to dye fabrics. Because when you use local dyes, it has to use a certain days.
Number of days for it to dry off.
Not even to dye, to absorb.
Absorb the dye.
To absorb.
Yeah.
So the preparation are being made by the Ogidi women.
The Ogidi women are the ones that make the dye.
Yeah, they are the ones that makes the local dyes.
Okay.
These are dye baths here.
Dye baths. These are the dye baths are the holes around here. Okay.
These are the nearly bits dye baths.
Okay.
This is what I'm talking about.
This is the leaf.
It goes very faster, and when you do scrub them on your pen, when it turns navy blue.
Navy blue.
Yeah, the green. When it's oxidized, you see them changing colors. It will change to a darker shades of color.
How do I know these plants in any way in the bush? How do I know this particular plant?
This is the seed
Okay.
or the indigo leaf.
Yeah.
So when it's being planted, it will definitely germinate.
Okay.
And when you want to check, this is how it looks like. Nothing else. Ewelu. It is being called ewelu in Yoruba.
Ewelu.
Indigo leaf. Ewe is leaf.
Okay.
Indigo is
Okay. Okay.
so you can see it's changing color.
Yeah.
So
walk me through the process. So I get we get the material, the
Okay.
bath material.
Okay.
Walk me through the process.
when you do start work here, we start on paper.
Okay.
That's the one color, the two color, the components of freehand. Then we proceed to the freehand. From the freehand, we proceed to figure cuttings. Then from figure cuttings, we proceed to the pattern designs. So that's when you know different patterns like rock, pebbles, Adire this, Adire that, and when you are through with your fabric with your paperwork, they then proceed to works on fabric. That will be a 10 yards fabric, which will last for a number of days. When you start the first day, you start with what is being given to you on paper. That is the Adire one color. When you dye them, it's always been indigo. That's the color of what we do here.
Yeah.
And the second color is a choice of colors
You want, yeah.
That's when you pre-dye at first, then you proceed to dipping them in a lighter shades of color. Then from the lighter shades of color, you proceed.
Sorry there. Now I'm picking the sounds from what he's saying.
What I mean by pre-dyeing fabrics, these are being pre-dyed.
That's the authentic one now.
The initial color of this fabric is white.
Yeah.
And these are the pre-dyed part of the fabric.
Okay.
Which comes in orange and blue.
Yeah.
So we retained the orange and blue, and this is the last stage, which is navy blue.
Yeah.
The navy blue will be the background color of the works being done.
But this is not cotton material because it's not absorbing water quickly. It's not cotton, is it?
You mean the fabric?
Yes.
Yes.
Well done, guys. Thank you. God bless.
So will you leave it soaked in? Will you leave them soaked in the water?
We have to leave them for a certain period of time.
How long?
Because today, for at least it will last for like 45 minutes.
But this is not cotton because the water is bouncing off the clothes. Is it cotton?
It will still retain. It is cotton material. Well, we have different type of cotton. That's the brocade material. We have the chiffon material.
Chewing gum material.
Chiffon. They are lighter. They are lighter fabrics. What surprised me? You know, this one,
They still want to maintain that color.
And then add this one to it.
Add this one to it.
So it doesn't matter where the colors, these new colors reflect.
Yes, exactly. That's what he said. He said that he still maintain this color, but they still want to get one particular color out of it.
that will
Navy
be
blue.
the dark shades of.
So
This is red.
after this
is having
chemical
white.
combination now,
Then the darker shades will bring out the lighter colors that are being dipped. That's white and any other colors that are being filled with fabric.
Is this not cassava? This is the cassava. Is this cassava on wax method?
No, this is batik.
batik, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, batik is the application of wax on fabric. While cassava on fabric is Adire.
Yes.
See this white. Going into this thing.
Why are you spoiling the white clothes?
By the time this thing comes out, one more. The light armor.
See, the water is bouncing off the clothes in a beautiful way. Like it's forming a design. That's the idea.
Because do you know how they get that batik? Is maybe I remember in secondary school days. No, let me just tell you. There is a candle. Yeah, they use candle to make it more thicker. I think I get it right. You use all this. You melt candle.
Yeah, these are melted candles.
Oh, I'm too good, man.
That's what I said earlier, like application of wax on fabric is just what they call batik.
Batik.
Yeah. This is the chiffon material.
That's what I don't understand.
This is chiffon, right?
Yeah. On fabric. On 100% fabric.
But this is not candle,
polyester.
is it?
This is.
Sorry, this wax. I mean.
Yeah, this is wax on it. So when we are dyeing like this, when we are dyeing fabrics, not dyeing. When we are dyeing fabrics like this, we have. Can you understand the part of? Then I dipped it inside the last color, which is navy blue. So when you dip it inside navy blue, you have to place in air to oxidize. When it's oxidized, then you know the shades of color you've dyed. If it's not coming out fine, you know this thing is not coming out fine. Then you bring it back. Then you
start all over again.
You dye if it is not cracking. Because what it's doing now, it can never crack. As you can see, the designs are just there, the way it did it.
Yeah.
So if it is cracking, you find means of retaining those places with wax in case of crack. Then we bring it down here, we rinse before we come and the wax here.
Oh, you have to de-wax the clothes.
They say this with the size. Okay. And here we call it de-waxing. So when you are de-waxing is the method of removing the wax from the fabric so I can see the designs you've made on fabric.
I do that by boiling the fabric.
We'll prepare hot water.
Yeah.
So when it is being dipped here,
Yeah.
someone will be here with the cold water.
Yeah.
When you pick from here,
You put it in the
drop
cold
it
water.
inside the cold water. So all the wax that are retained on the fabric that are remaining will drop inside the cold water. Then we will squeeze and remove with soft end. Not even
Scrubbing it.
scrubbing. You just remove it, come down inside the water, then go and spread. Then you see your designs.
Great. Thanks.
Nice one, man. Well done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hold on for
Do you collect offering?
You don't have to have.
Mommy Nika has taught so many people from different parts of the world the art of tie and dye, and you can see the evidence in the quality of work that she put out. These are students currently taking their classes in tie and dye. Please let me know your favorite part of this video in the comment section. Encourage me by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell to know whenever I put out a new video.